Hi, come on in. Let's tour the Chatham.
This floor plan offers up to 4,318 square feet and has as many as 7 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. This home gives you opportunities to grow. Your foyer opens to the home and is adjacent to the flex space. Use this space for how you live. We set ours up as an office. We know working from home is the new norm, and this is the perfect space to find your workflow hustle. Your kitchen is the one you've been dreaming of. Gourmet appliances, quartz countertops, and a walk-in pantry. The nook lets in plenty of sunshine and is perfect for your morning coffee. Looking for your own personal touch in your new kitchen? Our design galleries are full of design options from modern to traditional. This means your new home will fit your style. The kitchen connects to your family room and offers you the opportunity to host parties, but the party does not stop inside. With an additional deck and outdoor fireplace, this area opens outside. Perfect for their summer holiday gatherings or outdoor dinner parties. Your first floor will also include a study, access to your garage, and half bath. We have converted our study into a first floor guest suite with its own private bathroom. That's pretty neat and means that there's 1.5 baths on our first floor. This is just one of the many options we offer in this home. Upstairs, you'll find your additional bedrooms, both with walk-in closets. You also have your choice of loft or 4th bedroom. We chose the loft option in our model and set it up as the game room. If you or your loved ones are working or learning from home, it's a great space for that as well. Your owner's suite is a luxe living defined. It offers 2 large walk-in closets. That means no sharing is needed. You also have additional storage options and a lavish ensuite. The second floor rounds out with a laundry center and additional bathroom. Need more space? Ask about the optional 3rd floor. Perfect for a guest suite, an at-home gym, or creative space. Does your home site work for a basement? This is another option for you to add additional space to your home. Ready to learn more? Visit us at HHHunthomes.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters. Design selections may vary by home sites, location, and chosen options.